Hey, Chris from The Average Couple here, and I'm going to have you guys in here. We're in the kitchen. Krieger, sit. Good boy. We're going to do some obedience. There's a bowl of food right there on the counter. Just a cup of food in there. Mimi is sitting here on my left. That's Amanda's dog. And Krieger is here on my right. That's my dog. And we're going to go through an obedience routine. Mimi, down. Krieger, down. Mimi, sit. Krieger, sit. Krieger, down. Mimi, heel. Good heel. Let's go. You go over here. Sit. Stay. Krieger, sit. Krieger, sit. Stay. Mimi, touch. Krieger, sit. Krieger, no, sit. Krieger, touch. Mimi, sit. Mimi, touch. Krieger, sit. Mimi, touch. Mimi, sit. Stay. Let him see it. Krieger, touch. Down. Krieger, down. Krieger, sit. Krieger, touch. Krieger, touch. Sit. Mimi, sit. Good girl. Krieger, touch. Sit. Sit. Oh my God, Daddy, I'm starving. You never feed me. Oh my God. Mimi, down. Mimi, down. Sit. Mimi, touch. Sit. And this is just a very basic routine. Mimi, touch. She's nibbling. Sit. 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 Down. Sit. She got a little too aggressive with the food. Down. Touch. Sit. Krieger. Down. Down. Krieger, heel. You're like, Daddy, look at me, Daddy, I'm doing it. Down. Down. Krieger, down. Sit. This is his last. Let him see it. Sit. Sit. Mimi, you sit too. Krieger, touch. Look at that. Mimi, sit. Sit. All right, guys. That's it. Bye.